this vlog, I am going to discuss on how to solve quadratic equations by extracting square roots. There are three properties that you can use in solving quadratic equations by extracting square roots. The first one, if k is positive, the quadratic equation has two real solutions or roots. X is equal to plus negative square root of k. So the k is the constant term in the given quadratic equation. So if the k daw is positive, it means that the quadratic equation has two real solutions or roots. Okay, so I have here an example. Example number 1. Solve the equation x squared minus 36 is equal to 0. So copy. The next thing we have to do is we are going to write the equation in the form x squared is equal to k. So from this given equation, ato siyang i-transform to this. X squared is equal to k. So pabilin lang, mananatili lang yung x squared sa left side, then equals, from negative 36, ita-transpose natin siya to the right side. So from negative, magiging positive 36 na siya. Then next, we are going to extract the roots of both sides. So square root of x squared is equal to square root of 36. Then next, since 36 to class since 36 is positive, the first property above can be applied. Diba? 36 is positive. So, pwede nating ma-apply itong property number 1. So, square root of x squared is x is equal to positive negative square root of 36. So, the square root of 36 is 6. So, positive negative 6. Therefore, the equation has two solutions. X is equal to 6 and x is equal to negative 6. Another example, 2s squared is equal to 50. Ang gagawin natin, dapat yung s squared lang ang nandyan sa left side. So, we will divide both sides by 2 para s squared na lang yung nasa left side. So, divide both sides by 2. Ayan. So, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, s squared na lang. Then, 50 divided by 2 is 25. Then, we are going to extract both sides. So, square root of s squared is equal to square root of 25. Then, square root of s squared is s equals square root of 25 is 5. So, positive, negative 5. Therefore, the solutions are s is equal to 5 and s is equal to negative 5. So, if you have questions regarding property number 1, just comment down below. Next is property number 2. If k is equal to 0, the quadratic equation has one real solution or root. X is equal to 0. As what I have said a while ago, k is the constant term of the given quadratic equation. So, if ang k daw is 0, it means na the quadratic equation has only one real solutions or root. So, example, we are going to solve the equation t squared is equal to 0. So, copy lang. Then, we are going to extract the roots of both sides. So, square root of t squared is equal to square root of 0. So, square root of t squared is t. Then, square root of 0 is 0. So, t is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation has one solution. T is equal to 0. Another example, y squared minus 13 is equal to negative 13. So, ang y squared is, mananatili lang siya sa left side. So, y squared is equal to, copy lang negative 13, this one. Then, itong negative 13 sa left side, ita-transpose natin siya sa right side. So, from negative, magiging positive 13. Since they don't have the same sign, di ba? Negative 13 plus positive 13, ibig sabihin, subtract. So, y squared, negative 13 plus 13 is 0. So, next, we will extract both sides. Square root of y squared is equal to square root of 0. 0 kasi 13 minus 13 is 0. So, square root of y squared is y is equal to square root of 0. The square root of 0 is 0. Therefore, the solution is y is equal to 0. So, if you have questions regarding property number 2, just comment down below. Next is property number 3. If k is negative, the quadratic equation has no real solutions or roots. As what I have said a while ago, k is the constant term of the given quadratic equation. So, if ang k daw is negative, ibig sabihin, ang quadratic equation wala siyang real solution or roots. So, I have here an example. Solve the equation m squared plus 10 is equal to 0. Solution, copy lang the given equation. Then, i-change natin siya to x squared is equal to k, diba? So, m squared is equal to positive 10 since ita-transpose natin siya to the right side. So, from positive magiging negative 10. Then next, we are going nakalimutan ko nang ilagay. I-extract natin both sides. So, square root of m squared is equal to square root of negative 10, diba? So, square root of m squared is m is equal to square root of negative 10. So, since negative 10 is less than 0, then the equation has no real solutions or roots. So, yan lang tatandaan nyo ha. If ang k is negative na, ibig sabihin wala na siyang real solutions or roots. So, yan lang yung kanyang final answer. Then, next, I have here example. Find the solutions of the equation, the quantity of y minus 8 squared minus 36 is equal to 0. So, copy lang. Next. At i-change natin siya to x squared is equal to k, diba? Ito yung x squared. So, manatili lang siya sa left side. Itong the quantity of y minus 8 squared is equal to, then itong negative 36, ita-transpose natin siya to the right side. So, from negative 36, magiging positive 36. Okay, nagkamali na naman ako dito. 6 to guys ha, 36. Then next, we are going to extract the roots of both sides. So, square root of the quantity y minus 8 squared is equal to square root of 36. So, now solve for x to? Now solve for y in the resulting equation. Ang dami kong mali-maling nalagay dito Now solve for y in the resulting equation. So, the square root of the quantity y minus 8 squared is y minus 8 is equal to square root of 36 is positive negative 36. So, next, isa-solve natin kung ano yung mga values ng y. Kasi diba, mayroong dalawang sign ang 6, positive 6 at saka negative 6. So, next natin gagawin, copy lang y minus 8 is equal to positive 6. Then, ang isa naman, same lang sa left side, y minus 8 is equal to negative 6. Then, next, mananatili lang yung y sa left side, y is equal to copy 6, yan. Then, from negative 8, since ita-transpose natin siya to the right side, magiging positive 8, yan. Then, ito naman, y is equal to, copy lang negative 6, then from negative 8, magiging positive 8. So, y, 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. So, y is equal to 14. Then, this one, negative 6 plus 8, since they don't have the same sign, so we will subtract the numbers. 8 minus 6 is 2. Then, copy the sign of the greater value. Since 8 is greater than 6 and the sign of 8 is positive, so kukopyahin natin yung sign ng positive. That's why positive 2 ang sagot. Therefore, the equation has two solutions or roots. Y is equal to 14 and y is equal to 2. So, if you have questions, just comment down below. Ito mga example na ibinigay ko sa inyo guys is just similar doon sa mga questions na nandoon sa inyong mga modules. So, sinadya ko siyang isimilar lang para hindi kayo masyadong mahirapang isolve yung mga activities na nandyan sa inyong mga modules. So, I hope nakatulong itong video na ito. And thank you sa panonood. Bye!